Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Mandy, and I like to talk about makeup panning, and things spooky. This is my update for Paranormal Pantivity, so stay tuned. Alright, this is the Paranormal Pantivity project. It was created by Andrea at Pretty as a Peacock, and it is a Fantastic Ladies collab group project. This is all about the spooks, the specters, and the things that go bump in the night. So, it started on September 24th of 2023 and goes until September 24th of 2024. There are monthly updates, and the 24th was National Ghost Hunting Day. We are to work on 6 products rolling style, or roulette, or all in at once. I am working on 6 products at a time and just rolling down the list. So, without further ado, let's see how I'm doing. The first prompt that is still in is for Screaming Skulls, and that is a Halloween or scary themed product. And for that, I brought in my BH Cosmetics Venom palette, and I selected the shade Silent Killer, which is this one right here. I am wearing it in the outer corner of my look today. It is a beautiful metallic gunmetal silver, and my goal for that is 13 uses. As of today, I have 9 uses, so 4 more uses to go. Unfortunately, as of the last update, since the last update, I've only used it twice. Yes, twice. Sorry. Can't read my own handwriting sometimes. So 4 more uses to go on that, and yeah, hopefully I'll remember to wear it more often. Next is for Kelpie, something you use in the shower or bath. For that, I brought in my Not Your Mother's Tahitian gardenia flower and mango butter shampoo. My goal is 13 uses, and over the last month I've only used it once, and we are down to that line right there. I believe we brought it in, we were up there, but that could be from a different project, but I don't think so. So we are right there, and my goal is 13 uses, and to 1 use in the last month brings it to 7. So I have 6 more uses to go on that. I actually just finished my travel shampoo that I've been using, so I need to get a bottle to decant this into and take it with me, and I will use it while I am traveling. But yeah, that is not gotten a whole lot of use lately. Next is for the prompt Demon, and that is something you were tempted into buying, and for me, that is a ColourPop Super Shock Shadow. I hear lots of stories about them, and I'd never had one before, so I just went on Ulta and picked one that looked like a nice color. It's pink. It looked a little more purple online, but it's pink, and it's an ultra glitter formula. Not particularly my jam. That is what it looks like. I have brought it in for 13 uses. I am wearing it today over the center and inner half of my lid. I'm learning to love it. Pink is not my favorite. Like I said, I thought this was a little more purple when I ordered it online. Don't order things online unless you know for sure you really want it. And I brought it in for 13 uses. I've used it twice. I brought this in February. So today is my 2nd use. I need to get working on it. Yeah. So that is going to be staying in because I can't. Anyway, some products that have better progress. The next is for Ectoplasm, and that is a face mask of any kind. And at the time, the only face mask I had was this deluxe sample from Dermalogica of their multivitamin power recovery mask. My goal was to use it all up, and it is all gone. It is empty and used up. I got 6 uses out of it, and that is rolling out. That is a goal met. Next is for Ghost, and that is a product with unfinished business, something you previously panned but did not hit goal on, and I realized I did not give you a swatch of the Super Shock, so I will do that because more use is more use. I mean, a swatch is not use, but it gives some use to the product. Anyway, there is a swatch of it there. It's got a lovely pink base, and then, of course, it's ultra glitter, so there's lots of glitter in there. Anyway, back to a product with unfinished business. I brought in my Thrive Cosmetics lip liner. This is their lip fuller lip liner. I had this in 50 Shades of Purple last year because it is a plummy rose, and I did not meet my goal on it. This time I brought it in for 13 uses, and I have used it 13 times. And I will even give you a swatch of the lip liner that I'm rolling out. I put it on the same hand, but that's okay. There it is there. It is really nice for a base for other lips. I'm not wearing it today, but I have been wearing it frequently. And I have met my goal and used it 13 times, so it is rolling out. And then lastly, the last prompt I was working on was for necromancy, something you haven't used in a long time. And for me, at the time, that was my LA Girl Pro Primer eye primer stick in nude. And this is what it looks like. My goal was 13 uses, and I have used it 13 times. I finished my last eye primer, so this is the only eye primer I'm working on, and I'm using it every time I do my makeup. And yeah, so 13 uses on that, not a problem. And that is rolling out. So now I am rolling in 3 new prompts because I met my goal on 3 prompts. Just wiping those swatches off. And we're going to go down the list. The next on the list is for Ouija board, or Ouija board. And that is something that has embossing on it. And for that, I am bringing in not an eyeshadow, not a powdered product. I'm bringing in a lipstick because it has embossing on it. It is this guy here, the beautiful thing, and it has embossing of little stars all over it. And this is the shade Ranch Girl. I am bringing this in to use 5 times. I have never worn this shade, and I don't know how it's going to look on me. I'm afraid it may be too orange, but it might work out just fine. So we're bringing that in for 5 uses to see how I like it. It's always funny how things look different in, when they're on your lips than when they're, swatched elsewhere. So anyway, that's what I'm bringing in. This Ranch Girl lipstick for 5 uses. Next is for Urban Legend, and that is something that is too good to be true. So I recently purchased the reusable eye masks from Pacifica. You've probably heard of these. They are silicone sticky eye masks that you reuse them. And I purchased them in hopes of helping with some lines under my eyes because I'm a side sleeper, and when you slip on your side, you get the squishes. So I am bringing these in to use for a month and see if it helps minimize the appearance of the lines under my eyes, because that's what they're supposed to be doing. I mean, there's, that's a pretty good claim. So hopefully this helps, and I will let you know when I, in a month's time, and see if I think they're worth it. Otherwise, they're just, too good to be true. And then finally, orbs. Little lights. Something that brings light to your face. And I am going to bring in, this is brand new into my collection. Probably haven't even seen it in the haul yet, but it'll be coming. This is the BH Cosmetics, what is this officially called? Apres and Aspen. Their Aspen highlighter palette. I haven't even taken the plastic off. but it is a highlighter palette, and it comes in 6 lovely shades. I think these might be nice blushes or blush toppers for me. And then we got white and purple and blue. My goal is going to be to try each of these shades once. Really easy because, like I said, it's still wrapped in plastic, and I'm curious to see how they look on me. So I'm going to try each shade once and report back and tell you what I thought of it. And that is everything for today's update. So if you enjoyed this update, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my content and are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button while you're here and ring the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And until my next video, take care of yourselves, stay true to you, and I will see you later. Bye!